How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best gaming setting for your LG32U6B monitor. So the first thing that we want to modify is actually the advanced window setting. Navigate through the advanced display setting. It's going to be actually inside the normal display setting. Scroll down and you have yourself the advanced display setting. In here, you want to actually locate the refresh rate, and then you could just set it to the highest number possible. So for example, depending on your model, it could be something like 144, 165, or 240 hertz. What this means is that per second, it will show this amount of picture. So the higher the number, the better to make our gaming a lot smoother. From there, let's now go ahead and navigate through the OSD control by tapping the joystick right below or right beside our monitor, which will then look something like this. Now, this is only an example. I know it's a Lenovo Legion example, but open your joysticks menu, and then we want to apply the following setting. For the response time, you want us to set it to fast. This avoids blur without causing halos. For FreeSync, you want to enable it, which is going to be on, which eliminates screen tearing. The black stabilizer is going to be 50. You want to keep it at default unless dark corners are hard to see. With smart energy saving, you could just set it off. It prevents sudden distracting dimming. And for HDR, it's going to be on your preference, but I suggest turning it off, especially for something like FPS games, etc. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.